Hi, Populist. Steve here with a friendly reminder. It's that time again for our Populist Company Teams call. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite parts about being an amazing team member of this awesome company. If you haven't heard about our company-wide Teams call, well, let me tell you, it is awesome. And we expect everyone to be on this call, whether you're at work or not. If you're not at work, we'll pay you for your time. Here on this 1 hour long call, we will be able to discuss our victories, our challenges. We're going to be able to shout out our newcomers, celebrate our anniversaries. We'll have an opportunity to reflect on some personal and or professional bests. We're going to talk about growth, opportunities, have a little HR segment, and at the end of it, we'll give away some just fun giveaways just for being a part of the call. So I expect to see everybody on it. When do you ask this is going to be? Thursday, August 15th at 6:30. Again, that's Thursday, August 15th at 6:30. As we get closer to that date, we'll send out some more reminders. All right, everybody. Hope you continue having a great month. Bye.